Hi guys, I'm going to plan some capsule videos which will be useful for all of us, like which we have to be revised in before the exam and which are most confusing, like where the special resolution is required, where the ordinary resolution is required, and where the resolution shall be passed in board meeting only, and where private companies applicability and government companies applicability, section 8 companies applicability, penalties, limits, various provisions. Will come with a capsule videos for one particular topic. Will come with one particular capsule videos. For example, now we are coming with a capsule video of resolution in only in board meeting. That is, the resolution shall be passed only in the board meeting. Means that we have studied section 175. That is right. RBC. That is resolution by circulation. What is RBC? In that case, resolution by circulation shall not be passed in the following categories. First of all, before going into the certain sections, we'll know what is resolution by circulation. According to section 175, RBC means RBC some following, but some steps will be there. Or the steps: a draft resolution needs to be prepared, necessary papers, documents, supportings to be prepared. They need to be sent to the all the directors in India at the registered addresses through hand delivery, post, courier, email, whatever. We have to be made like that. Then the majority in that particular RBC circulation has been issued to the directors. The majority of the voting shall be done who are entitled to vote. What is the meaning of that entitled to vote? For example, we'll consider an example here in this case. For example, the draft is sent to 15 directors. The draft is sent to 15 directors, and the majority means majority is 8 directors. Then we'll check what happens there. Voted only. See, in that draft resolution sent, only 12 directors have voted, meaning only 12 directors have voted. In that, majority is 7, right? Then in the 12 directors, 7 directors have voted in favor of the resolution and 6 directors against the resolution, right? Here the entitled to vote means all the directors to whom the draft has been sent. Thereby 15 directors majority we have to check. That is, majority is 8. Here they have passed only 7. Favor is 7. That's why this resolution is not valid. This is very important concept, entitled to vote. Please consider this, keep in mind. And next we are going to the main topic. The main capsule topic, that is what are the sections in which the board meeting only resolutions passed. That is, only the board meeting itself the resolution shall be passed. What are the sections? The sections are 161 4 and 61 subsection 4, 179 subsection 3, proviso to 179 subsection 3, 182, 184, 186 subsection 5, 188, 203 proviso. Totally there are 8 sections or 8 meetings in which they must be passed in the board meeting itself. They must not be passed by RBC under section 175. This topic we have to must revise before exams, otherwise we'll get confused. We'll go into the each section. 161 subsection 4, casual vacancy. As we all know, 161 1, 2, 3 additional alternate nominee directors, casual vacancy. In casual vacancy, board meeting, the board shall fill the casual vacancy only in board meeting only, right? Next section is 179 subsection 3. 179 subsection 3 is the general powers of board. General powers of making funds, giving loans, guarantees, providing securities, investments, वगैरह. Some things are there mentioned in 179.3. Those things also need to be passed in board meeting only. In coming to the next section, 179 subsection 3, proviso to 179 subsection 3. That is delegation. Even certain points mentioned in 179.3 shall be delegated by the board to the certain particular persons, like delegation to the MD, manager, principal officer of the company, principal officer of the branch officer, committee of directors. They can delegate by passing board resolution. That board resolution shall be passed in board meeting only, but not by RBC. Next one is 182. 182, when we think of 182, 181, 182, 183. 181 is like charitable purposes, 182 is like political contributions, 183 is National Defense Fund. Coming to 182, we have to pass a board resolution in order to contribute to the political fund. In that particular resolution, that resolution shall be passed in board meeting only. Here one important point is like we have to remember the penalty of the political contribution, which is very important. That is 5 times the amount of contributed in case of a company is a defaultee, in case defaulter, in case the officer is the officer in default, that is 5 times of the penalty plus 6 months imprisonment shall be is the penalty. Coming to 184, interested directors. Interested directors, remember, yes, interested director shall has to report his interest in the first meeting, first board meeting. Some points are there. In that, if any interested director or contract arrangement is going to be decided by resolution, that such kind of resolutions shall be passed in board meeting only. This 184 point is nowhere mentioned in the act, but it shall be passed in board meeting only. Coming to 186 subsection 5. 186 subsection 5, if you remember 186, you will have to the twin section 185. The 185 is loan to directors, 186 is loan, guarantees, securities or investments by the company, right? Making the loans, providing guarantee, providing security, like that. So in that also, when the board meeting resolution has been passed, it shall be passed in BM only. And coming to 188, related party transactions. Related party transactions, in that particular case also, like if you see the related parties, what are the related parties? Goods, services, property, buy or lease, OPP, officer of place of profit, underwriting. In such cases, board meeting shall be passed, resolution shall be passed in board meeting only. Next, coming to section 203, proviso to the section 203. What is proviso to the section 203? KMP, appointment of KMP. In that one proviso is added there. Like if you are an MD or manager of a company, then you want to be MD of another company. Such a case, the board meeting, the resolution in this company shall be passed in through board meeting only, right? If you see this 186.5 and 203 proviso 203, two things we must remember. Like that resolution shall be unanimous resolutions, where there are only two situations in the entire Companies Act. Only board meeting is unanimous, means the votes shall cast in favor, all the votes shall cast in favor of the resolution. That is only in 186 and 203. What is that? 186 and 203. What is 186? Sorry. What is 186? Loans, guarantees, securities, investments by company. That means board meeting only resolution, and that resolution shall be unanimous. And that MD wala section, MD manager wala, MD in other company, board meeting, that thing also, that resolution shall be passed in board meeting only, and the resolution shall be unanimous resolution. Okay, that's it for all today. Subscribe the channel for more updates like this. Thank you.